Hey ladies, it's Deanna, and today we're going to be doing a 15-minute power Pilates workout. So all you need for this is your mat and no other equipment. So it's perfect if you're traveling, and it's also going to be a full body workout in 15 minutes. So super quick if you're short on time. So let's start laying all the way back. And then from here, we're going to keep it moving pretty quickly. We're going to start with some neck pulls. So hands are going to come behind your head, elbows nice and wide, and legs are nice and long out straight. So these are kind of like roll-ups, just a little bit more challenging. So from here, take an inhale, flatten your low back down into the mat, engage those abs. And then from here, chin comes towards your chest, and you start rolling up one bone at a time until you come all the way up and over towards your toes. You find a little C curve. Stack your spine up nice and tall, and then roll it down one bone at a time. So even though they're called neck pulls, you don't actually pull on the neck. You're trying to use those abs, but those hands behind your head are gonna make it a little bit more challenging than your regular roll-ups. So you round it forward, find that nice C curve, keep scooping your belly, stack your spine up nice and tall, and then roll it down as slow as you possibly can. Now, if you need to modify this one, arms can go straight up to the ceiling. It gives you just a little bit more control to get up and down here. And like the arms act as a counterweight. And then you can roll it back down with those arms reaching long in front. So let's do two more here. So again, if you can, neck pulls, hands behind the head, chin towards your chest, belly flattens first. You round it all the way up and over towards those toes. Find that nice C curve. Stack your spine up nice and tall, and then roll it down one bone at a time. Good, one more time. Inhale at the bottom, flatten that low back. Exhale, chin towards your chest. You roll it up one bone at a time. Again, not pulling on the neck, using those abs to control. Stack that spine up nice and tall, and then roll it back down. So it's a good warm up for those abs, the low back. We're gonna go one more time and stay at the top. Good, flattening the back first, imprinting that spine, finding that nice C curve. We're gonna stack our spine up tall. And then this time we're gonna roll it halfway back and hold. Good, so you have that nice strong ab position here, pulling the belly in, finding a little C curve. Now exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale through the center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. If you need to modify a little bit, you can bend the knees while you're twisting. Again, it'll give you a little bit more of a counterweight so that you can control that movement a little bit better. Good, one more, right and left. Exhale, you twist, wring out those abs, pull everything in nice and tight. Inhale, center, exhale, all the way down. Whew. All right, nice job, ladies. So those abs should be pretty warm now. We're gonna go into our little 5 series here, our ab series. We're gonna add in a little extra. So from here, the knees are gonna come up to tabletop. You're gonna lift your head and your chest, hug those knees in, and then from here, inhale, reach arms and legs out nice and long for your double leg stretch. Exhale, you circle around. Inhale, reach, exhale, circle around. Try and stay lifted the whole time here. If you need to for the neck, you can lower the head down as you reach the arms overhead and then curl it back up. But again, power Pilates, we wanna try and work through it as best we can. Inhale, reach, exhale, circle around. And circle, good. One more here. Hold it in, right knee stays in, extend the left leg out nice and long, and switch, and switch, and switch. Exhaling as you pull the knee in, inhale as you switch. Now you wanna make sure that those hips stay nice and steady. You got this, ladies. We have 3 more each side. Here's 2. Last one. Hold that right knee in. Now from here, hands come back behind the head. You twist for your crisscross and switch. Same breath. Find that length in the legs. Stabilize those hips. Keep those low abs pulling in. Nice job, ladies. We'll take a little rest after we finish the set. And then we'll get into those lower abs a little bit deeper. Here's 3 more each side. Find that length. Twist and wring out those abs. 1 more each side. and bring those knees in. Now, if you need to lower the head down for this one, this is a good time to rest the neck. The legs are gonna come straight up towards the ceiling for your double leg lowers. So legs straight up to the ceiling, nice and straight. If you're tight through those hamstrings, a little bend is fine. Hands come behind the head if you can and find that ab curl. Then from here you lower, exhale, you lift. Inhale, lower, exhale, you lift. So that low back is pressing into the mat. You only go as far as you can without letting the belly pooch up to the ceiling. Exhale, you lift. Again, if you need to, now's a good time to let the neck release. Just try and relax the shoulders. You have 3 more. And lift. Here's 2. Last one. Hold those legs up. Grab behind the right thigh, calf or ankle, depending on how flexible you are. Lower that left leg down. See if you can lift a little higher in your ab curl. You're gonna inhale, scissor, exhale, little hold. Inhale, scissor, exhale, little hold. Good. So finding those scissors. Again, the hardest part here is usually keeping the hips nice and steady. So really find those low abs, those pelvic floor muscles to stabilize. You got this, ladies. Neck is long, shoulders pull down your back. You have 3 more each side. 2 more each side. Last one. Bring that right leg back up to the ceiling. Hold it. Hands come back behind the head. You twist towards that leg for a little crisscross scissor and switch. And switch. Now we get a little ab break after this, so really push. Wring out those abs. Stabilize those hips. Get those legs as straight as you can. Again, little bend is okay, especially if you're tight in those hamstrings. 3 more each side, ladies. My abs are feeling it. But again, it's quick. We'll be done in no time. Last one. And a rest. Whew. Hug those knees in towards your chest. And take a quick little rest. And then from here, come over onto your right side. So we're gonna do a little bit of side planks with leg lifts. We're gonna do it on our knees though, so that you're not totally dead. If you want to progress this at all, feel free to do a full plank with this, but it's challenging enough on the knee. So right elbow is gonna be down on the mat. Right knee is down on the mat, so the bottom knee is gonna be down on the mat. From here, lift into a little side plank. Top leg's gonna reach out nice and long. You're gonna lift that leg to hip height. Now from here, you lift up 1 more inch, tap it down. Lift and down. So you're feeling the bottom side obliques and that bottom shoulder working to stay lifted in that nice, beautiful plank. You're lifting long through that top leg, finding those outer thighs now. Try not to let that hip dip down. Good. Last one, you're gonna lift and hold it. Little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Lift a little higher, feel that little pinch in the bottom oblique. Good, hold it up here. Now bicycle that knee forward, circle around and back. Try and extend that leg behind you. Feel that booty squeeze back. Good, exhale forward, inhale it back. Stay strong. Hips are staying super steady. Find those pelvic floor muscles. Here's 2, stay lifted. Last one, reverse it. Exhale that knee in towards the chest. Try and keep that leg parallel to the floor. If you need to modify, feel free to come out of that plank. You got this, ladies. Breathe through it, I promise it helps. Here's 2, last one. Whew. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling it in that bottom booty cheek too, so whole body working on that exercise, which is perfect when you're short on time. All right, so left elbow comes down onto the mat. Left knee's gonna stay down on the mat. Again, we're working that bottom side oblique to lift, bottom shoulder. Big inhale, and then exhale, you lift. Top leg is out nice and long. Stabilize those hips, lift that leg up and down. Second side is always the worst, but you got this, ladies. Stay strong in that bottom shoulder. Open up through the chest. Feel that little pinch in the bottom oblique. Nice job, ladies. Neck in line with your spine. Last one, lift and hold. Pulse it up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it and then bicycle that knee forward. Inhale back again, extend that leg long behind you. Circle it back, find the booty squeeze. You have 3. Here's 2. And reverse it. We just have 10. Again, stay lifted through that bottom side oblique. Strong through the shoulder. Keep that leg hip height. Good, shoulder back, chest open. Here's 3, 2, and last one. Whew. All right, come on up for a second, roll out those shoulders. We're gonna come into an elbow plank. Abs nice and strong. We're gonna go into a little bit of military or dynamic planks here. So from here, come onto your belly. Elbows are gonna come right underneath your shoulders. We're just gonna do 5 on each side just to get some of those arms working. So from here, find your elbow plank. Big inhales and exhales, you hold it. Now, from here, squeeze those legs nice and tight. Squeeze those abs, pull your right hand to where your right elbow was. Push up to a full plank. Right elbow down, left elbow down. So right hand, right elbow, left elbow. Good. Just one more with the right. Try and stabilize those hips, hold it, nice and strong. Now left hand leads. So left hand, right hand, find that nice, beautiful full plank. Left elbow, right elbow. Left hand, right, left, right. Just 3. Stay strong, ladies. Here's 2. Last one. Down, down. Hold that plank. Big inhale and exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down. Whew. All right, now extend those arms out nice and long. A little bit of back extensions to get that back working a little bit more. Legs out nice and long, just about as wide as your mat. Hands out long in front of you. Again, about as wide as your mat here. Engage your belly. Try and pull your belly button up away from your mat. Then from here, lift up through the arms and the legs. Squeeze the whole back body nice and strong. And down. You lift, squeeze, and down. So even though we're working that back body, try not to feel any compression in that low back. So you're trying to get that squeeze through the shoulder blades, squeeze through the booty, and squeeze through those abs still. And down, just 3 more. And down, here's 2. Down, 1 more. And down, good. Lift up one last time. Now lift the right arm, left leg a little longer and higher, and switch, switch, switch. And then start paddling out as fast as you can. Breathe it in for 5. And exhale. Breathe it in and exhale. You're here for 3. Here's 2. Last one. And down. Whew. Take a quick little child's pose. Knees nice and wide, toes together. Nice job, ladies. All right, from here, last thing to get those arms, a little bit of push-ups. So we're gonna do 10 tri-step or Pilates style push-ups. We want those elbows nice and narrow. If you need to go down to your knees, feel free. This is our last little bit, and we are finished. So hands come right underneath those shoulders. If you're finding that full plank position, step those toes out. Again, if you need to drop the knees down, drop the knees, but you want that straight line from the head to the knees. From here, inhale, lower, exhale, push up. Abs nice and strong, neck in line with your spine, you're looking slightly in front of you. We're halfway there. Here's 4, 3, 2, last one, you got it. Sit those hips back, find a downward facing dog. Nice job, ladies. Bend those knees a little bit, stretch out those hamstrings, and then walk those feet in towards your hands. Take a little forward fold, stretch everything out, shake out your neck a little bit, and then roll yourself all the way up, one bone at a time. Awesome job today, ladies. Quick 15 minutes, in and out, and you are finished. So enjoy this workout, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.